All right, everybody, welcome to another edition of Trader Guru. Today's very important video. Bitcoin could crash all the way down today because we are at a very sensitive spot. And also some bottom indicators did not kick in yet. So let me share with you what's going on with Bitcoin. First, before I tell you about Bitcoin, DXY is going up again. And one of the things I can absolutely tell you is that every time the DXY goes up, every other asset is going down. The DXY is the strength of the US dollar. So there is some resistance coming up. However, we may break through that resistance at some point. And so I wanted to mention that to you. So you're aware that Bitcoin is at risk. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now at 19K 129. And so are we going to break down at 17K tomorrow when the CPI data comes out? I don't know, but I do want to show you some very important data that may surprise you about the bottom indicators as well today. Now, I won't be showing you everything, but I'll show you one that is quite important that you should be aware of if you want to make money. Okay, so let me show you this one that I'm going to pull up right now. So it's this one right here. And so what we're looking at here, if we look at this here, I'm going to make this very clear to you. The green one that you're seeing right now, this is the current bull market, okay, that we're in right now. That's where we are. This red one is the previous these are the two previous bear market. Okay. So sorry, did I say bull market? Or
yeah, you did.
Market?
It's bear, I think.
Right. So what I meant, this is the current bear market. And you can see that there's still some room to go down if we compare to the previous bear markets, which are those three there, at least down to that level. Okay. So we may see another leg down going down, you know, a capitulation candle, as they say. So I want you to be aware of that. There is absolutely a risk that we go down to, let's say, 13K. And I've been talking about that for a long periods of time. So that's where we are right now, letting you know that is possible. Is it definitely going to happen? It may not. It may not go down all the way to the bottom. It may actually not even go down at all. But the risk is definitely there. So want you to be aware of that. Okay, so as you know, one of the reasons that the markets are at risk is because of the price of oil is going up. And as a result, now we're seeing some price go down today. That's good, but I don't think that's permanent, or that's going to, the problem has been solved. So that's why the S&P 500 has done a lower low. You can actually see it. If you look here, this was the previous low here, the first, then we made a lower low, and then we just made another low. Now, it's not a big one, but it did make a lower low. And it's concerning. If tomorrow people react to the CPI data, we may go down to here. And if that happens, then I got news for you. In that case, well, what do you think is going to happen, Austin, to Bitcoin?
Bitcoin's going to follow suit.
I think it's going to go to 17K first and retest that. I think that's what may happen. But if we break 17K, then I would predict 15 to 16K is in the card. So again, if it does go to very low prices, that may actually be good to call the bottom. Okay, because a lot of people think there's a capitulation candle coming. It's not come. If we break down tomorrow, that may be good because we get our capitulation candle, and then people say that's the bottom. However, we do need to deal with this high oil price. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will come back tomorrow and at the same time, the CPI data, and explain to you what's going on in the market. We did that last month. We had a great response. People were very happy with our explanation. Tomorrow, we'll be back to explain to you where's the bottom of the bear market. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and press notifications so that you'll have that announcement. Bye for now.